Hi, I'm Mike Bills. I'm with Measurable Solutions, and this is Whiteboard Wednesday. So today we're going to talk about whether or not you're sick and tired of paying everybody else's salary from all the work that you do. And I know in my practice, way back in the beginning, when I started it, that's what I did. I would run around. I was doing everything. I took care of everything, and I'd look around, and there's staff, sitting there. They're playing basketball, trash can basketball. They're running around. They're doing stuff, and it really came down to they just didn't know what to do. And so one of the biggest things that I've learned in terms of helping me to be able to be successful and really step back and run my practice and not be working to pay everybody all the time, really some simple steps. And it really comes down to, again, they don't know what to do. They don't know when to do it. They need some guidance. And you really want that to be what your job is as the owner, or as the CEO, the director, et cetera. So as you're sitting down, you really got to kind of define what are the things that I'm doing that somebody else can and should be doing. Because you got to get those things off your plate and off your lines as quickly as you can. And the second thing you got to do is you got to make sure that they know how to do what it is that you want them to do. So they're going to need some kind of a description. They're going to need some kind of an example and something to follow so that they can get it done. And then the third thing that you really want to do is I've found I'm big into sports. I love to kind of challenge my staff just like I would challenge a player on the soccer field or the football field. And so really just kind of give them some targets and some different things that they're really shooting for, right? So here's what I want you to do for this week. And this is a real simple assignment. This is how you're going to get your staff starting to work to pay for their own salaries, right? So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to set some expectations. I want you to set some expectations for yourself, and I want you to set some expectations for them. Make sure that they know what it is that you want them to do. Give them a good job description, a good description of that particular job. Not their job as a therapist or their job as a tech or as a front desk person, but the job for ordering supplies. Here's how you're going to do that. I'm going to give you a good description. Here's the place you go. Here's how you order it. Bam, you're going to be able to do it. Give it to them. Bam, they're going to get it done. And the third thing that you're going to do is you're going to give them a target. You're going to give them that goal, that line that they're trying to make, right? If I'm a baseball player, I want to go 2 for 3 today. That's what I'm really trying to do. And so I'm going to give them that goal and that target, and I'm going to help them to make sure that they understand it and get to work with it. And basically, you do those 3 things and you start to shed things off of you, I guarantee you, they will be paying their own salaries, you'll be paying your salary, and you'll be a much happier person. So hope that helped out, and I look forward to seeing you again next week for the next Whiteboard Wednesday. Take care.